Hey, this is Gary with Optimal Cruising with your cruise news update in under 2 minutes. Today we have a crazy story out of Southampton, England, where a bomb threat shut down an entire cruise terminal where a P&O cruise liner was embarking passengers for a 14-day cruise. Now, passengers were actually on board at the time that this happened, and they got photographs of the police arresting a man out of this truck here who was the person who called in the bomb threat, and then they spent hours searching the area and found out that it was a hoax. The cruise ship did end up leaving about a half hour late, but it was a big inconvenience for passengers who actually had to disembark the ship and then get back on. Next up, earlier this week on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, one of their water slides actually broke as a passenger was going through it. A big piece of glass fell out of it. You can see the water pouring through the gaping hole here. Fortunately, the passenger was all right. He was treated for some injuries, but he will be fine. And last up, we have another cruise ship, BRAWL. This one happened with Royal Caribbean in their private island Coco Cay in the Bahamas. There were 2 Royal Caribbean ships docked there at the time, but this BRAWL involved a number of people. Many were injured, and they will probably be fined and banned from the cruise line. All of these recent fights in the cruising industry have sparked some discussion and debate that the cruise line should have a banned passengers list, and if you get caught fighting on one cruise line, you go on that list, you won't be able to book a cruise anywhere. What do you guys think? Comment below, subscribe to our channel, and let us know how we're doing.